Hi, it's Michaela, one of the owners of Fitstop Foods. Here we have a couple of our featured menu items. This is our egg white breakfast sandwich on whole wheat English muffin. We have 7 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of protein. Here we have our blackened chicken with fresh green beans and red potato mash. It's gonna be 2 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein, and 25 grams of carbs. These are our turkey and spinach Italian style meatballs over whole wheat spaghetti. This one's gonna be 17 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of protein. This is our garlic and herb chicken with roasted sweet potato and vegetables. Gonna be 2 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of protein. We rotate our menu weekly, so if you're interested in any of these menu items, head over to the website and check it out. Use discount code FIRST10 for 10% off your first week.